Hmm. Man, I love the center trailer parks in the morning. Smells like gasoline, trash, and good methamphetamine. No place I'd rather be, I'll tell you that.
I could swear there was someplace we were supposed to be.
Don't think so. Haven't had a job in 8 months. But wait, what's today?
Tuesday.
Oh my God, it has been 8 months. But besides the 5 girlfriends, 3 restraining orders, and 30 days in jail, I think I'm doing all right.
Yeah, last week was rough.
Sure was.
Oh, I remember what we're supposed to do. We're supposed to get this program over to Dan's house so we could draw us some hands. I can't even scratch my nuts. And maybe some legs.